It's our new data center in a box. Compact, integrated, secure, and easy on the wallet. Let me introduce you to the SmartCabinet 2M. When we say compact, we mean compact. The SmartCabinet 2M is an edge solution with 17U usable IT space, and it can live just about anywhere. This micro data center is fully integrated with 1.5 kilowatts of inbuilt cooling, PDU, access alarm, and a UPS. So you don't have to worry when this happens. With data protection and security front of mind, you can rest easy with the SmartCabinet 2M, giving you the option to store your most sensitive data right where you can see it. Plus, we've improved the security features with right space access and control. There's optional on-site intrusion prevention and detection, as well as video surveillance. The unit is very simple to install with our industry-leading deployment services and standardization, which enables IT managers to streamline processes and centrally manage all services. With application across a wide range of industry sectors, there's a lot to love about the SmartCabinet 2M. Not to mention, it's soft on the wallet and energy consumption, making it an intelligent solution. And it's available now.